Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading!
Hi everyone, this is Her Disguise, chapter 44. Let's start reading. It seems Jinshi has become desperate. Pinasunog yung diba? Our people drugged Jinxing and disguised himself as Jinsheng. Soon after, he found the secret account book in the accounting room. Accounting room caught fire and it spread to the study. He's in. Luckily, I went to the study later to take care of my drunk father and managed to save him before the fire became uncontrollable. Buti na lang, muntik nang mamatay. Father, wake up! It seems that Jinshi has eyes in the Hibiscus Palace. We must clean up quickly. Yeah, dapat matanggal niya na yung babaeng yan. Sa bagay, hindi naman kasi siya magkakaganyan din kung wala siyang yung mga sulsul ba? Talaga yung problema eh. Mga bad advice. Imperial Palace, the Hibiscus Palace. What did you say? She rushed into the fire and saved her father unharmed. O tapos, ano gusto mo? Imperial concubine, wrong. Our spy in the Marquis Yao's residence came to report, and it's indeed true. Her skillful playing impressed everyone at the Chanmanor Bouquet, and she even received a reward from the Crown Prince. Ano naman ngayon? Wala ka talaga sa kalingkingan niya kasi reborn siya eh. Marami na siyang experience compared to you. Compared to that Cheng Dai who only has an empty reputation. Empty reputation. So ito, yung masabi. She has a higher chance of being the destined Phoenix girl. Well, she is kasi nga reborn, diba? Yung destined Phoenix girl. Siya lang naman yung reborn. But she has no strong background. I'm afraid. His Majesty had no background back then, so no official or concubine bothered plotting against him. But His Majesty was able to overthrow the strongest contender, the Crown Prince, who had the strongest background and has been firmly seated on the throne for decades. Wow, talaga? Wala siyang background pero nakaya niyang overthrow ang Crown Prince. Amazing. Your Highness are right. Men should marry virtuous girls. I've seen Cheng Dai when she entered the palace before. She is indeed beautiful, but empty-handed. Moreover, Cheng Dai is Duke Jin's granddaughter, so if my son marries her, he might invite jealousy. It's better for him to just marry Bansha. Yes. Marry them. So, mangyayari na naman tong sa pilitan na pagpapakasal. Tapos tatakbo na naman yung dalawa. I'll try to get His Majesty to spend the night at my place tomorrow, and I'll ask him to grant my son a marriage. Pero diba hindi naman siya yung totoong mama? Sino bang anak na tinutukoy niya? Prepare yourself. Yes, Your Highness. Who applied this medicine to Marcus a few days later? The Marcus' leg burn is serious. Physician Gao. Luckily, you applied high-quality jade skin growing cream that night. Bansha, my daughter, has learned some ancestral medical skills. That night, she applied the medicine on me in an emergency. O, diba? Puring-puri si Bansha. She and my wife accompanied me for a few days and didn't sleep properly. Yung wife mo yung dahilan. She risked her life to save me from the fire. Otherwise, I would have perished in it. She's truly a good child. Go rest now. Leave your father to me. Napagkakatiwalaan kayo itong physician na to. Yes, let the kitchen prepare a nourishing soup for Bansha, my good girl. Then I will take my leave. My lord, Duke Yuan has come to deliver an imperial decree. Oh no! Ikaw ang ipapakasal dyan. Push away. We'll see. Jealousy na naman yan. From the god's blessing, behold the message of the emperor that Marcus Yao suffered a disaster and had a leg injury. He was granted a royal medicine and given a half-month leave to recover and rest well. Half-month lang? Pero parang nakaka-recover naman siya. Pwede 1 month. Marcus, congratulations. Sir, may we know why you say congratulations? Bansha, the 5th daughter of the Yao family, is virtuous, kind, and exceptionally filial. Ayan na yung mga papuri. Diyan nag-uumpisa yan eh. She saved her father from the fire, and I am deeply touched. Thus, a special betrothal is granted. She is to be wed to the 4th prince, Prince Tuan, in July of next year. Ay, si Prince Tuan pala. Prince Tuan, Yubei-Xuan. Hindi siya dapat. Dapat si Yubei. One of my daughter will become a royal concubine. To marry Prince Tuan, the 4th prince, could it be that the prophecy of Bansha being the destined phoenix girl has come true? Miss Bansha, what are you still standing there for? Hurry up and receive the decree. Thank you, Your Majesty. Uy. Wala, diba? Si yung gusto mo? Si Yubei? Bakit mo nire-receive yan? Nako, lagot. His Highness went to investigate the secret mint of currency in Bashan secretly. He won't return to the capital for the least half-month. Oh no! Umalis ka pala, Crown Prince. Why did you left? Ngayon pa. I must quickly send a message to His Highness. In the previous life, Prince Tuan was notorious for his brutality and treated human lives as dirt. Get up. Ano kaya nangyari previous life? A concubine accidentally stepped on his foot and he gouged out her eyes, cut off her feet and cooked her and forced her to eat her own meat. Seriously? Napakan lang yung paa, yan na yung ginawa? How can I marry such a cruel person? Marcus, this marriage was personally requested by Imperial Concubine Rong, and she persuaded His Majesty to grant it. Then His Majesty made this imperial decree. I see. Congratulations, Marcus Yao. Which one act of saving his father from fiery disaster. You can marry into the royal family. Quick change of the topic. This is such a great blessing. How many people in the world can have such fortune? The Empress, Yubei, is wanting a future wife, but he publicly sent me a warm jade chin. The Empress must understand his intentions. So, what are you going to do? But the Empress is facilitating a marriage between me and Prince Tuan, seemingly wanting to eliminate Yubei's intention of marrying me. It seems that the Empress and Yubei each has their own plans. Next episode, Xu Xuan Shui Yushuang, late daughter, late elder brother. Your mother is the only daughter of the former King Shu, and I am the younger sister of King Shu. Grandmother, what did you say? Oh, so royal family sila. Next chapter, is my mother the daughter of King Shu? Stay tuned. Alright, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See ya.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.